Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1971 Chevrolet Camaro. This is the RS with the split bumper. Beautiful car, man. Factory color combination. It's placer gold. It's got the factory black vinyl top, all the factory black vinyl interior in it. Killer car, man. I bought this car from a buddy of mine out of Tennessee, but it's an original L-Code California built car. Good, solid, straight body, gorgeous placer gold paint. I mean, the paint just really pops on this car. Whoever laid the paint on this thing did a beautiful job. It's a recent body up restoration. They've lowered it down a little bit. It's got a killer little aluminum headed 350 with a Tremec 5-speed. It's got air. Awesome car, man. Sits good. Like I say, this color just jumps off the car. I love the wheels and tires they put on it. It's got the 17 and 18-inch American Racing Torque Thrust wheels. All new rubber. When it comes to these second-gen cars, man, the ones that I like are the split bumper. This, of course, is a Rally Sport version. This replaced the hideaway headlight look. But nice car, man. Chrome and stainless is nice. Car runs and drives excellent, man. Nice and tight. You see, it's got the front spoiler. These cars look like a shark getting ready to come at you and bite you. You can nitpick that trim here a little bit. It's kind of showing its age. Nice car though, guys. Really pretty paint. It's got a good look to it. Vinyl top's in great shape. That looks brand new, to be honest with you. There's no bubbling or anything around the seams. Ah, we got a bumblebee in there. Nice car, man. Really pretty car. They got the short deck spoiler. I think that's actually a 70 deck spoiler. That's the only one I really like. I don't like that big tall one. Now a Camaro expert will come and tell me, no, you could get it, but I know I've actually seen that on the 70s. I don't know if the 71 came with that. Look at that car, man. Sits down good, nice and straight down the sides. Bumpers are nice. Paint's gorgeous, man. Car's got a good sound. Sorry about the little dust in there, guys. Good running. Little 350 in it. And even with it being lowered, man, it drives out good. Sorry. Again, those are 18-inch on the rear. They're a little bit wider on the rear, too, so it gives you a little more meat on the ground. 17s on the front. It's got your Rally Sport 350 emblems, disc brakes. Looks like a little, I can see a little stone peck there that's been touched up. Not a whole lot you can really nitpick on it, guys. Again, aluminum headed 350 motor. It's got dual feed 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got air works, blows cold. I like the dual snorkel air cleaner on it. It's got the Chevrolet finned aluminum valve cover. It's got a nice set of ceramic headers in there. Again, backed by a Tremec 5-speed manual trans. It's got to be in neutral to start it. Didn't know what was going on, man. I couldn't get this thing to start. I thought something was wrong with me. I had to call my buddy. Told me it's got to be in neutral. It's got an MSD box over there by the battery as well. Cool car, man. Good look. Nice build. Matter of fact, if we can get this weather to straighten out, which has been a complete battle, this car may make its appearance on Woodward Avenue tonight. Nathan and I are going to run down there, and where the bugs like this car. Must be the yellow. Vinyl tops, gray. I mean, it's a nice car, man. Mirrors are nice. You know, these things got huge, you know, big old heavy doors. They close real good. There's all your original door tag. Factory black vinyl interior. Oh, I've got new floor mats for it. They're on the way. Bucket seats, console. It's got the Hurst shifter in there. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Dash is nice. Parking brake works. 4301 on your odometer. I'm assuming that's probably on the restoration. Oh, it's got an aftermarket. I think that's a Retro Sounds radio, and then it's got a couple aftermarket gauges. I know the original owner's manuals in the glove box. Got a good sounding Dynaflow stainless X-pipe dual exhaust system in it. 10 bolt, 373 limited slip rear end. It's got a rear sway bar on it. It's actually all hammer coated, which is pretty cool. It's got the factory jack with the spare in there. You got this. You can see we got to lift this up, hold this up. I don't know if when they put the spoiler on, it's just a little too heavy for it, but nice car, man. You see how nice it closes. Car's real nice underneath. You see that hammer coated rear sway. Pretty car, man. Carpet looks new, sill plates look new. Seats are real nice. Dash looks good. Gauges are nice and clean. One little crack there in the steering wheel. Have Nathan fired up. Door handles are nice. Again, man, just a nice little cam to it, man. Just kick your air on, get air blows cold. Good sound to it. Solid lip camshaft in it. Love those front ends, man. I just think the split bumpers are so, they're head and shoulders above that straight bumper car. I know the speedo works, fuel gauge, it works. Gauges here all working. Nope, what's the one over there? Oh, yeah, oil pressure. Those might not be hooked up. I don't know if they are working. Backup lights work. Car gets its R's quick, man. Oh, there's a plug-in. There's also, I'm assuming that's for you whatever, plug your phone in. Not a radio guy. Radio works. Oh, it looks like they got the fuel gauge or the temp gauge working. I don't know if the oil pressure gauge is working. That's tough, man. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Facebook page, our Instagram page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. There's a little button here at the bottom you should be able to click on. That way you can get a notification every time I do one of these videos. Well, that car just hits me good, man. Getting better on that shifter. Have a great day, guys.